The following is a paid advertisement for Floor Shield.
It's hard to believe that this is just a concrete floor.
I love this floor because it has the look of like a marble.
It's got sparkle. People come over and they say, wow.
Guests will look at it and they'll say, is that marble? Is that slate?
I think it looks very sharp. It makes the garage floor look new again.
I see clean, I see beauty.
You can pick your own color, you can pick your own design, which makes the installation unique to you.
The guys from Floor Shield just finished my floor, and it was amazing how well it turned out.
It's just beautiful.
If you can imagine it, we can make it a reality.
Concrete. We've been building things with it for 250 years. It has countless applications. You can walk on it, park on it, and drive on it. It's functional and it's practical. But concrete is also cold and drab and boring. But now it doesn't have to be. As you are about to see, everyday gray run-of-the-mill concrete can be transformed into unique, spectacular floors. Hi, I'm Jim Micah. Today, we're going to show you how you can give ordinary lifeless concrete floors the ultimate makeover. What was just concrete can become the floor of your dreams with products from Floor Shield. This was an everyday run-of-the-mill concrete slab. Now, it's a unique patio.
Just look at it. It's got sparkle. People come over and they say, wow.
This was a beat-up, worn-out garage. Today, it's a showroom.
It was a typical gray, pitted, oil-stained, cracked garage floor. And now look at it.
This was a typical kitchen. It now features a one-of-a-kind kitchen floor.
I love this floor because it has the look of like a marble.
And this was a lifeless expanse of concrete. Now it's the main attraction in a stunning family room.
When you walk in here, it's hard to believe that this is just a concrete floor. It's just beautiful.
All of these beautiful floors were created by Floor Shield, which transforms cold, drab concrete into unique, spectacular floors. We're going to take a close look at 4 Floor Shield systems, and let's start here with what's behind door number 1. As you can see, this is not your father's dingy concrete garage floor. No way. This is the striking Blockade 2-part epoxy system. This is a protective coating system. The Blockade epoxy covers, renews, protects, and seals virtually any concrete surface. Claude Loyce is one of the flooring experts at Floor Shield, and I've got a question for you, Claude. What is the Blockade 2-part epoxy system?
It's an industrial-grade flooring that Floor Shield developed for commercial and industrial applications, as well as now residential applications. It's a very durable flooring, weather-resistant, corrosion-resistant, salt-resistant. It's just an all-purpose great floor.
So where can homeowners use the Blockade system?
Well, we've applied the Blockade through garages. We've done some basements. We do some exterior work. We've done a lot of factories and commercial applications. Anywhere really where there's existing concrete surface, we can apply the Blockade surface to it.
So if it's being used in those applications, it must be pretty durable.
It's extremely durable. One of the formulas that we have in it with our Blockade epoxy, you can drive on it, you can park on it. We have commercial applications where they run fork trucks on it all day long. It doesn't leave tire marks, salt, corrosion. None of those things affect the surface of the epoxy. It just sits on the surface. You can take a rag and wipe it off.
Now the floor looks great today, but how easy is it to maintain and keep clean?
That's one of the beauties about the Blockade epoxy flooring. Literally, you can take a hose and a light broom or even just a mop, and you can just mop this floor and it'll be just clean as it is today.
Now, I'm sure a lot of you are do-it-yourselfers, and on the surface, this may look like a project you might want to take on. But before you do, please look and listen. Look closely because there's a lot more here than meets the eye, and listen to the Floor Shield experts.
Many do-it-yourselfers try to install their own epoxy floor, and they just don't last. They just don't work. They peel up, they yellow, they'll chip up, they'll bubble over a freeze and a thaw over a winter period. They may look great when they're done, but they just don't last. That's the beauty about Floor Shield. All of our installers are certified to install epoxy floors. Our installers know what they're doing, know what to look for with that concrete, and how to prepare that floor, and how to install it correctly so it lasts.
Everybody would love a floor like this. How affordable are they?
The Blockade 2-part epoxy is a very affordable floor. When you take a plain garage floor and you can turn it into something beautiful like this, that's easy to clean, easy to maintain, at a relatively inexpensive cost to the homeowner.
We're standing on a light gray floor right now. What other colors are there?
We have a variety of colors, everywhere from fire engine red to safety yellow, as well as a variety of colors in between. They're all as easy to maintain and as durable as obviously the floor you're looking at today.
The Blockade two-part epoxy system can be applied to just about any concrete surface. It's perfect for basements, utility rooms, and garages like this one.
The floor was stained with oil, car fluids and kids' bicycle tires and bugs and everything else you can possibly think of. You look at it now and it's gone. You can almost eat off of this, it's that nice. So it turned out very, very well. We're very happy with that.
The Blockade epoxy seals and protects the concrete. It repels moisture, oil, and grease.
We chose the Blockade epoxy so that we would have something that was easy to maintain, easy to keep clean, and with a husband who likes to work on cars a lot, it gets dirty really easy. Anytime there's anything on the floor, it just wipes right up.
Grease, oil, even the elements can't penetrate Floor Shield's Blockade.
If it's an oil spill, a couple drips, it can just be wiped up with a rag, a dry cloth. If you have some of the slush from the Wisconsin winters, that is easy enough to just take and hose down, take a little broom and brush it and squeegee it into the drain, and you're done.
Floors coated with the Blockade epoxy system are guaranteed to resist cracking and peeling. They're protected against scrapes, scratches, and scuffs.
It's very durable. You can drop things on it, it looks the same. This is no longer a new floor, and it doesn't look that way.
The Blockade epoxy system is a cost-effective way to rehabilitate concrete.
It's a very affordable product. With the look and the durability, it's easy to maintain, it's a great value.
And it's a great-looking floor.
I think the epoxy floor looks very sharp. It's nice and clean and fresh, and the old concrete floor was getting dingy. No matter what you did, you couldn't clean it. It's very clean and crisp, and it stays that way. It's a nice, fresh start over in the garage.
Well, we chose the Duracast because we were looking for something different, and we thought instead of the regular concrete, we wanted to pizzazz it up a little bit.
Is your drab basement floor of wall-to-wall plain gray concrete starting to make you feel down? Or is your garage simply getting too oil-stained to clean any longer? Now, Floor Shield brings to you exciting new flooring alternatives with the durability of many commercial flooring systems at a cost that's less than most tile options. Floor Shield floors come in a variety of textures and colors designed to fit virtually any flooring challenge. Turn basements into recreation rooms, garages into showrooms, entryways into foyers.
We went from an old carpet in our family room to a beautiful floor from Floor Shield that we're proud to show off.
Floor Shield was originally developed and continues to be used for many commercial and industrial applications. This same lasting durability with unique colors and designs is now available for your home. The magic of Floor Shield allows you to choose from our color etching process, developed to turn concrete into a marble or granite appearance. Or would you prefer the look of slate? Floor Shield's liquidcrete and engraving options let you design the pattern that suits your personality and decor. And no garage is complete without Floor Shield's Blockade two-part epoxy covering that cleans up oil spills with a simple wipe.
When we built our home, we never imagined our guests would be using our garage more than our front entry, so we really wanted to make it more attractive. We are so happy with our Floor Shield floor. Now our garage is as welcoming as our front entry.
Even if your floor is severely damaged, our liquidcrete technology can take your floor from this to this in only a matter of days. Floor Shield's certified installers are expert at preparing your surfaces so that your floors will take on an appearance that is unique. Concrete that's beautiful, finally.
Now let's say you like the Blockade, but you're looking for something with a little more pop, a little bit more pizzazz. Well, look at this. This is a concrete patio finished with Floor Shield's Duracast system. This is an innovative process. Colored quartz granules or vinyl chips are broadcast and embedded in the epoxy Blockade to give it this unique look. Now, Ryan Douglas from Floor Shield is with me now, and Ryan, I've got a question for you. What makes this Duracast system so decorative?
That's an excellent question. Our Duracast system comes in both quartz and, as you can see, chips. What makes it so decorative is our special blend of broadcast systems for our chips and our quartz that can go over virtually any concrete surface and transform that plain gray concrete into something very beautiful.
This is a great looking patio. Now, where else can I use the Duracast system?
Our Duracast system is perfect both interior and exterior. If you're using them exterior, they're perfect not only for patios, but also for garages, for front stoops, for walkways. In interior settings, they're perfect for basements, perfect for utility rooms, even in kitchens.
Now, what we have here is a high traffic area. How well will the Duracast system hold up?
Our Duracast system, both the quartz and the chips, are broadcast into our 100% solids epoxies and our very unique urethanes and acrylics. Actually, all of our products that we use residentially were first used commercially in airport hangars and in industries that have a lot of high traffic. But now, for the first time, they're available to the consumer.
Now, Ryan, over time, we all know that regular concrete gets dirty, it gets weathered, and it's hard to maintain. So what does it take to keep this in tip-top shape?
Virtually nothing. Because of our unique brand of sealers that we apply to our Duracast systems, really all you need to do is hose it down.
Now, on exterior applications like this, how slippery does the Duracast get?
It's actually a very unique product with our chips and our Duracast quartz. Because of the makeup of the product, it automatically adds skid resistance to the application that we put it on. But our factory certified installers also know how to use texture agent to make sure that whatever they're applying it on is skid resistant.
Well, when you consider that not long ago this was an ordinary piece of concrete, now it looks this good. I mean, that's got to get you excited.
That's really exciting, and that's why we're so excited about our Duracast system. It can be used over old concrete, new concrete, interior, exterior. Both the chips and the quartz are so decorative, it come in a variety of colors that you can put over virtually any concrete surface.
Duracast chips and Duracast quartz are unique floor products.
Well, we chose the Duracast because we were looking for something different, and we thought instead of the regular concrete, we wanted to pizzazz it up a little bit.
The Duracast chips and quartz are innovative floor systems. These floors are dense and tough. They're great for high traffic areas like patios and pool decks.
It gave the pool some color. We were looking at regular flatwork concrete before that, which is very nice, but giving it a little color gives it a little more warmth. You walk out there and can relax, and it gives you sort of a resort type feeling.
The Duracast is also great in rec rooms.
It's absolutely fantastic. It's great because you don't have to worry about the kids spilling a soda or juice or dropping food on the floor because it's easy to clean up. And of course, in a game room, things like that are going to happen, and it just makes it easy for us.
Applying the Duracast chips or quartz is a complex process. All Floor Shield installers are experienced, certified professionals.
Yeah, we just sat back and let them do their thing, and they were very good about coming in on just about any time that worked for us. And the customer service was very good. They stuck with it till it was where we wanted it, and we're very, very happy with the way it all turned out.
These great-looking Duracast products are a great value.
The Duracast quartz is a very affordable option. Carpeting, we were worried about the potential mess. Plain concrete looked boring and gray, and compared to tile, very economical, so this is the way we went.
The Duracast offers 21 custom blends to choose from. Each one provides a decorative and colorful mosaic.
Just look at it. It's got sparkle. People come over and they say, wow, it's an eye catcher. It's something different. And that's what we were looking for. A little bit classier look than just concrete.
It was a typical gray, pitted, oil-stained, cracked garage floor. And now look at it.
Turn your plain drab concrete floors into this. Now, Floor Shield brings to you exciting new alternatives for your concrete flooring. Floor Shield floors come in a variety of textures and colors designed to fit virtually any flooring challenge. The magic of Floor Shield allows you to choose from our color etching process, developed to turn plain gray concrete into a marble or granite appearance. Turn basements into family rooms, garages into showrooms. And with our blockade epoxy covering, oil spills clean up with a simple wipe. Is your floor severely damaged? Floor Shield's LiquidCrete technology can take your floor from this to this in only a matter of days. We even have finishes for commercial and industrial floors. Concrete that's beautiful, finally.
Welcome back. So far you've seen the Blockade, the Duracast chips, and the Duracast quartz flooring systems. We have 2 more Floor Shield products to show you, and they're both utilized here. The first one we want to tell you about is called Liquidcrete. Liquidcrete is an overlay system. It transforms cement and produces a fresh, clean concrete palette. With me is Scott, who is one of our Floor Shield franchisees. Scott, what is Liquidcrete?
Liquidcrete is a product that we use when we have a chip surface on the concrete, or something if we go in and the concrete is already sealed, where we'll put a fresh surface on it and we'll have a smooth finish then.
Now that's the beauty of Liquidcrete. It can be used in new construction, or you can put it over old concrete. It'll even work on a beat-up slab.
Correct. We can put this just about anywhere we want to. For example, we may go into somebody's basement and it could be pitted and cracked, and we can put our Liquidcrete over the surface and basically give them a smooth surface. Or a garage. A garage takes quite a beating throughout a year. We can give them a fresh look also, and it looks like a brand new slab of concrete.
So how will Liquidcrete hold up to the harsh weather?
It does extremely well in harsh weather because it basically is a concrete. It can handle warm weather, cold weather. It's a very durable product and can handle the freeze-thaw cycles.
All right, Scott, now what about all the stuff that falls off a vehicle? I mean, we've got salt out there and grease and oil. It's a mess.
Liquidcrete is a very durable product. Oil, salt, all you really need to do with it when that happens is hose it off, squeegee it, and the floor has a beautiful surface again.
Now, Scott, this is an overlay system, so why can't customers do this themselves?
Oh, we've seen that before. That's not something that we'd recommend. All of our installers are certified before they can even put this application in somebody's home. As I tell people, it's not something that you just lay down. There's a lot of prep work involved with this product, and if that prep work is not done right, basically the application will not work. If you make a mistake on this product, once it's there for good.
Now, what kind of look can be achieved with Liquidcrete?
Because Liquidcrete is a trowel-down product, we're able to create the look of slate, which gives you a beautiful floor at less than half the price of a high-end tile.
Liquidcrete can be used to create a variety of textures and patterns. It's a makeover for bland concrete.
It was a typical garage, but we have transformed it into a family recreational area. In fact, this past Thanksgiving, for the first time ever, we have had all 50 of my family and relatives together eating at the same table. And it was like it was a room, not just a garage.
Liquidcrete complements any decor while enhancing your property. This Floor Shield product transforms any floor into something special.
It was a typical gray, pitted, oil-stained, cracked garage floor. And now look at it. I see warm, I see clean. It's great.
When you come down the steps, guests will look at it and they'll say, what is that? Is that marble? Is that slate?
Turn your plain drab concrete floors into this. Now, Floor Shield brings to you exciting new alternatives for your concrete flooring. Floor Shield floors come in a variety of textures and colors designed to fit virtually any flooring challenge. The magic of Floor Shield allows you to choose from our color etching process, developed to turn plain gray concrete into a marble or granite appearance. Turn basements into family rooms, garages into showrooms. And with our Blockade epoxy covering, oil spills clean up with a simple wipe. Is your floor severely damaged? Floor Shield's Liquidcrete technology can take your floor from this to this in only a matter of days. We even have finishes for commercial and industrial floors. Concrete that's beautiful, finally.
So the Liquidcrete gives concrete new life. And it gives the professionals at Floor Shield a fresh palette, which means they can do this. With the Floor Shield Durastone Color Etching system, an ordinary concrete slab can be transformed into a spectacular floor. Color etching creates beautiful colors, and it can be applied to any concrete surface. Yeah, you brought your A game. Very nice, very nice. Ryan Douglas from Floor Shield is back with us right now. And Ryan, we are standing on an absolutely gorgeous floor here. What's involved with the concrete color etching system?
Concrete color etching is a unique process that we apply to concrete that creates this beautiful color. What's interesting is it's not a paint, it's not a pigment, it's not a topical application, it's an actual chemical reaction. Our color etching reacts with the elements already present in concrete that creates this beautiful color.
So, because the color is etched into the concrete, it's got to be long lasting.
Oh, absolutely. Our color etching will last the lifetime of the slab that it's applied to. What's nice about our color etching is because it's etched into the concrete, really the only way to get it off is to actually sandblast it.
So Ryan, are there any limitations on the kind of concrete this can be applied to?
No, it's absolutely perfect for either interior or exterior concrete. In interior, it's perfect, as you can see, for basements. It's good for kitchens. It's good for bathrooms. For exterior, it's excellent for driveways, for garages, and for patios. What's nice about the color etching is it can be used on new concrete or old concrete.
This is a great look on this floor, and part of it has to do with the pattern itself. How do you do that?
Yeah, it is really unique. Our factory certified installers are trained on special equipment that allows them to cut these designs right into your concrete. And we're not set to a certain pattern. We can do smaller patterns, larger patterns, circular patterns, curved patterns. Really, it's up to you.
What about something like a logo?
What's really nice about a logo is we can actually engrave a logo right into your concrete. Maybe it's a family crest, maybe it's a business logo that you'd like to engrave. Our factory certified installers know how to engrave those right into your concrete floor.
Now, just to summarize, I can pick my own color and my own design?
Absolutely. You can pick your own color, you can pick your own design, which makes the installation unique to you. And so because of that, no two floors will be exactly the same. If you can imagine it, we can make it a reality.
Durastone Concrete Color Etching converts ordinary concrete slabs into luxurious floors. And since every concrete slab is different, every color-etched floor has a distinctive look.
It's unique because it has its own pattern and you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. So we played around with a couple of different designs, and this was the one that we liked the best, and so we could choose a design that perfectly fit this room versus having pre-cut things that you had to put in.
These beautiful floors are high gloss, but low maintenance.
It's so easy to clean. I vacuum it once a week. I have a wax that keeps it nice and shiny. It's just really easy to take care of.
Durastone Concrete Color Etching works everywhere, from kitchens to garages to family rooms.
It's basically a rec room. There's a fireplace, a bar, a pool table, a ping pong table, so it's the room to play in. It classes up the room a little bit. It just makes it look really, really nice down there.
So Durastone Color Etching is ideal for bathrooms, living rooms, and family rooms like this one, which really isn't a family room at all. This is a garage, and the same color etching that would look great in any room makes this garage look like a showroom.
It was a garage, it is a garage, but now my husband has very much pride in his cars and his motorcycle, and now it has become a showroom for him as well.
With Durastone Color Etching, Floor Shield creates the appearance of expensive flooring at a fraction of the cost.
This is very affordable. I like the idea of having concrete, but having the look of like a marble type floor without actually having to pay for it.
Our plan when we started this was to do a ceramic floor. By the time we got all of our bids back for that flooring, there was no comparison in cost. The Floor Shield was a fraction of what tile was, much more economical.
So the cost is affordable, but the look is priceless.
When you come down the steps, guests will look at it and they'll say, "What is that? Is that marble? Is that slate?" I explained to them that it's actually just our concrete floor with a stain on it. And this is how beautiful it turned out.
Is your drab basement floor of wall-to-wall plain gray concrete starting to make you feel down? Or is your garage simply getting too oil-stained to clean any longer? Now, Floor Shield brings to you exciting new flooring alternatives with the durability of many commercial flooring systems at a cost that's less than most tile options. Floor Shield floors come in a variety of textures and colors designed to fit virtually any flooring challenge. Turn basements into recreation rooms, garages into showrooms, entryways into foyers.
We went from an old carpet in our family room to a beautiful floor from Floor Shield that we're proud to show off.
Floor Shield was originally developed and continues to be used for many commercial and industrial applications. This same lasting durability with unique colors and designs is now available for your home. The magic of Floor Shield allows you to choose from our color etching process, developed to turn concrete into a marble or granite appearance. Or would you prefer the look of slate? Floor Shield's liquidcrete and engraving options let you design the pattern that suits your personality and decor. And no garage is complete without Floor Shield's Blockade two-part epoxy covering that cleans up oil spills with a simple wipe.
When we built our home, we never imagined our guests would be using our garage more than our front entry, so we really wanted to make it more attractive. We are so happy with our Floor Shield floor. Now our garage is as welcoming as our front entry.
Even if your floor is severely damaged, our liquidcrete technology can take your floor from this to this in only a matter of days. Floor Shield's certified installers are expert at preparing your surfaces so that your floors will take on an appearance that is unique. Concrete that's beautiful, finally.
Floor Shield is the leader in the design, creation, and installation of decorative concrete treatments. These floors can be installed just about anywhere.
It's very versatile. We have it in our media area. We have it here next to the pool. We have it in our bar area. We've got it in the bathroom. We have it in the bedroom area, the guest area, and it's just beautiful. It works really well with all areas down here.
All Floor Shield products are installed by trained, certified professionals who deliver superior customer service.
The crews did a great job in coming in here and taking care of their customers the way they should.
These floor systems are durable, easy to maintain, and easy to clean.
If it's an oil spill, a couple drips, it can just be wiped up with a rag, a dry cloth, and you're done.
Floor Shield products are a smart investment. They'll add value to any property at a reasonable cost.
It's a very affordable product. With the look and the durability, it's easy to maintain, it's a great value.
The Floor Shield products are versatile, durable, affordable, and best of all, they're beautiful.
The guys from Floor Shield just finished my floor. I walked down the stairs and it was amazing how well it turned out.
Just look at it. It's got sparkle. People come over and they say, wow.
I think it looks very sharp. It's nice, it's finished, and it makes the garage floor look new again.
I see clean, I see beauty, it's easy to maintain.
I love this floor because it has the look of like a marble.
When you walk in here, it's hard to believe that this is just a concrete floor. This is how it turned out. It's just beautiful.
As you've seen, these Floor Shield systems are amazing. It all comes down to giving concrete a totally new look. Whether it's old or new, damaged or flawless, inside or outside, you can transform any concrete into something spectacular like this. Floor Shield, concrete that's beautiful, finally.
Call now for your free in-home consultation.
And you'll be so happy with our Floor Shield insulation, I guarantee it.
The preceding was a paid advertisement for Floor Shield.